to the fact that on April 15, 2023, Washington Avenue, Pittsfield Township, that you double parked a motor vehicle.
Yes, sir.
All right, court will accept that admission. Count two, count one is dismissed. Fines and costs of $180. When can you get that paid?
Like a month. I should have. Can I ask the question to you, Your Honor?
Mr. Clay.
This case is from 2009. I've been trying to get. I'm freshly home from doing a 10.5-year prison sentence. I've been out almost 2 years. I'm about to get all papers in 3 months. I've been trying to get my license the whole time that I've been off.
Okay, hold on. This case isn't from 2009.
No. This case just happened, but every time I go to try to get my license, they talking about it's something from 2009 holding me up, and I got to go through the appeal process.
Okay, hold up. Let me see if I can. I don't know if I can help you, but let's see.
Yeah, I was just trying to see whatever I can do to get my license because I really do need.
I know. All right, hold up. Just.
Oh, sorry, but yes, sir.
No, it's okay. You wanted to yell at somebody today. I guess it's just me. Don't worry about it.
I'm not trying to yell at all.
No. Hold up. He's like, I ain't trying to yell at nobody. I'm gonna be off paper in three months. I'm just.
Yeah, I ain't never been off none in my life, so it's an accomplishment.
All right, hold on a second. Let me see what we got here. They're telling you it's something from 2009.
Yes, sir.
Okay, hold on.
They said I had a lot of possessions or something back then. Every time they called me, I had weed or something on my possession or something, and they said they want me to go through the appeals process.
No. Okay, hold up. Here's what I got. Oh, really? People. All right. We're going to see if we can help you out here.
Take your time. Take your time.
You going to tell me to take my time in my court?
Sorry.
All right, Mr. Clay, you sit tight for a minute. I'm going to pass it. I'm going to have somebody look these up to see who the prosecutor is on it or whatever, okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. Don't ever say like a judge didn't help you out.
Oh, I greatly appreciate
it. All right. So here you go, because you're trying to get everything straight and get a license. So
yes, sir.
And I understand where you're going. Okay. Well, hold on a second. He's got another. Yeah. Hold on one second, because this one's out of IPSI. They keep telling you it's from 2009, right?
Yes, sir. And then
they
say I had to go through the appeals process, meaning I got to pay for an arbitrator, pay for a drug test, pay for all this stuff. I don't have no money to do all that.
Hold on. Who told you that?
The Secretary of State. They give me a little package.
Okay.
I got to fill it out and go through. I'm like, it's crazy. They gave me
okay.
four times.
Just hold on. That's his only case?
That's the only case that's converted that I can look at. What else?
Because this one, not that one. This one's out of Mount Clemens. I can't do anything about that.
This one, 07/21.
This suspension ended, but this one didn't. All right, let me pass it again. There's one more we got to look at. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So come back, Mr. Clay. Here's what we're going to do. Okay. So here's the good news. Good news is the thing out of 2009, there's a case out of our IPSI court, okay?
Yes, sir.
There's two, it's really three cases, but really there's two dates. There's one out of 07 right, out of Ipsy, and that's a driving on license suspended. Then in 09, you got 2 of those driving while license suspended. Okay, out of Ipsy. On those, the 07 case, we don't see anything. That typically would mean that the only thing that you might owe is a $45 clearance fee. That's on the 07. But I can't even say, because it's not converted over to the new system, I can't even say that you owe that. You may owe nothing on that one. Okay, got that?
Yes, sir.
On the 09 cases, which everybody keeps telling you it's from 09, the only thing that's holding you up over there is a clearance fee of 27. You've been paying on it, or somebody has. You owe $27.54 on that clearance fee. You follow that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So at what's 27 and 45?
Hold on, I gotta get it.
Yeah, I know. I don't know, because
754, right?
20, yeah.
So 7254, is that right?
Yeah, that's right. That would be right.
7254.
Okay, so you, at worst over there, you owe $72.54 if you got to pay the clearance plus the balance on the other one. Or
Okay.
the best is that you owe $27.54. Got it?
Either or. I'd take
Yeah,
either or.
no, I hear you. Now, that's the good news. When they were telling you that you have to go through an appeal process, I went back and looked at a little bit closer. So what happened is, out of Mount Clemens Circuit in 2003, there was a
Driving with a. I mean, I was only case I ever had out of Mount Clemens was I was riding in a stolen car with. I didn't know the car was stolen.
right.
Yeah.
Okay, I got you. But you had pled to like unlawful driving away of an auto.
Yeah, but it turned out I
So-
wasn't the driver. Somebody else. did.
No, I can't. You can tell me all about the case. I can't do anything about it. I'm just going to
Yes.
tell you what's here. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So that's where your license got revoked. And that was from 2004.
That's
So,
even longer.
all right. So what I'm trying to tell you is you can clear up the clearances here in Ipsy, but if somebody at the Secretary of State is telling you, it seems to me that you've got to go through some type of administrative or appellate process on that. It's that revocation from 2004, not the thing from 2009.
Okay. So
If
how
that
would
makes
I go?
any sense to you.
Not really. I mean, from 2004, it is almost 2024.
Look, I don't make the laws. I'm just telling you what's there. All right.
I know. Yes, sir. I understand. Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm just trying to tell you what's there so that when they may be telling you the right thing, but it's not anything from 2009. Like I said, the stuff from 2009 is out of our Ipsy court. You either owe the 72.54 or the 27.54.
Okay.
But the revocation that's holding your license is from that incident in 2003, 2004.
Okay. So there's no way I can go around that.
Well, I'm not here to give you legal advice.
Oh,
I can't.
sir.
I can just tell you what's there so that you know
Okay.
what you're looking. Okay?
All right. Yes, sir. Thanks for helping.
Fair enough?
Yes, sir.
All right. Mr. Clay, you take care of yourself. I think we'll be No, I didn't give him a due date on his fines, did I? No. So when you gonna pay the 180?
Can I get like a month? Because I still got to pay my parole fees and stuff too.
See, he gonna tell me I gotta wait. This is see, I help him out. No, no, never mind, never mind. So when does your parole end, fella?
October 19th. When I came home, I came home October 19th, 2021.
All right. I'm gonna do this for you. On a promise. You promise once you're done with that, you're gonna fly right.
I've been flying right this whole 2 years.
Well, I didn't care. I don't care about that. I'm
Yeah,
just
oh, yeah,
saying, once you're done,
I'm done.
you're gonna fly right.
Yes, sir. I'm on the straight.
All
narrow
right. So
right
here's
now.
what I'm gonna do. Here's what I'm gonna do. The $180 fines and costs won't be due till November 30th. So a month after you're off. So you can
Okay,
get
thank
yourself settled. Don't forget about me.
Oh, I'm not. I'm gonna pay it before then. Way before then.
Okay, but you've got until then to get that paid and
Yes,
nothing
sir.
to happen. Okay,
you.
you get it done. If somebody says happy Thanksgiving and you've forgotten about Judge Simpson, you know something's wrong. You hear me?
Yes, sir. Can't
All
forget
right.
about Judge Simpson.
All right. Mr. Clay, you take care of yourself, fella.
All right. You have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Please subscribe to help the channel.
What started as a simple parking violation turned into something far more meaningful, a man's quiet plea for a second chance at a normal life. Mr. Clay came into that courtroom to answer for a double-parked vehicle on Washington Avenue. A minor infraction. A $180 fine. But what unfolded was a window into years of struggle. A man freshly released after a decade-plus in prison, navigating a bureaucratic maze just to get his driver's license back. He thought the problem was from 2009. Judge Simpson dug deeper. The real obstacle? A license revocation tied to a 2003 incident out of Mount Clemens, not the cases Mr. Clay had been told were the issue. That clarity alone was a gift. The 2009 cases? They carried a balance of somewhere between $27.54 and $72.54 in clearance fees. Not thousands, not some impossible mountain. Just a number he could actually work with. And then the judge did something that didn't have to happen. He looked at a man 2 years clean, 3 months from finishing parole, and he extended the $180 fine deadline all the way to November 30th, a month after Mr. Clay's parole wrapped up. "Get yourself settled," he said. No lecture, no conditions, just a quiet act of judicial humanity. This is what accountability with compassion looks like. Mr. Clay showed up. He was honest, and the system, in this moment, met him where he was. That's not always the story in these courtrooms, but when it is, it's worth recognizing. If you found this case as eye-opening as we did, hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more real courtroom breakdowns. Because justice never gets old.